Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Vacasa Homeowner Vacation Rental Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Vacasa Homeowner is a property management app designed to help vacation rental owners monitor and manage their homes with ease. It centralizes key information such as bookings, earnings, maintenance updates, and cleaning schedules. The app provides real-time reservation details, performance insights, and occupancy trends, helping owners stay updated on how their rental is performing. It's available on both iOS and Android and is integrated with Vacasa's full-service property management ecosystem. The app's main feature is its homeowner dashboard. It displays upcoming stays, guest check-in and check-out information, and revenue breakdowns. Owners can also track maintenance requests, view housekeeping progress, and communicate with the Vacasa support team. It works as a convenient hub for everything related to short-term rental operations, offering transparency and reducing the need for manual coordination. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, accurate revenue reporting, and the ability to see all property updates in one place. The app provides a clear picture of occupancy performance and makes it easy for owners to stay informed without micromanaging. Integration with Vacasa's on-ground teams is another major advantage for those who prefer a hands-off management approach. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's features are limited to properties managed exclusively by Vacasa, which means it cannot be used independently. Some users also report delays in updates related to cleaning or maintenance, depending on the region. Furthermore, its functionality depends heavily on Vacasa's service quality in your specific area, which may vary. In summary, the Vacasa Homeowner app may be worth using if you want a streamlined, hands-off way to oversee your vacation rental, track performance, and stay updated on property operations. However, if you prefer direct control over guest communication, pricing, or on-site tasks, or do not wish to rely on a full-service management company, it might not be the right fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.